Coleman Saluspa Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. The Coleman Saluspa is perfect if you're looking for an affordable, inflatable hot tub that's sturdy enough to match a professionally installed hot tub. The Coleman Saluspa Inflatable Hot Tub is a cost-effective alternative to a professionally installed hot tub, with stability, durability, and a slew of features that rival those found in more expensive models. Nothing beats the feeling of sinking into a warm, bubbling hot tub at the end of a long day at work, and the Coleman Saluspa allows you to have your own spa-style hot tub at home. The Coleman Saluspa has enough space for up to 6 people and 140 air jets to provide an invigorating soak for your aching muscles. Simply set the water temperature and jet pressure on the digital control panel and turn on the jets. This hot tub can provide a relaxing evening soak as well as a full-on pummeling. The Coleman Saluspa is simple to set up and operate. It is inflated or deflated using the included pump, and lift handles make moving it around your deck or yard a breeze. It weighs 88 pounds, making it lighter than many inflatable hot tubs. When not in use, it can also be folded down and stored. Coleman's outdoor products are known for their quality and durability, and this hot tub is no exception. The reinforced PVC and vertical beam construction ensures that your hot tub guests are safe and comfortable while the soothing massage system works. Concerns about hygiene are also not an issue. The Coleman Saluspa also includes a chemical dispenser attached to the inside of the hot tub that disperses a consistent level of chloride to keep germs at bay and the water clean and healthy. Get full details by clicking the link in the description.